Mark Bonick and Tishan come to me a control a young magic come here who are your father son Mark Bonick at just one and now where you catch man and some Arsenal report to me and says woman shall see a contacting here your father's investigation at there your so run where you see a anti-Semitic a your social media post our brand Jumedia one some our social media no soon I'm so Kasam Bakubi and I just say any Baku and Yamiano I'm a some social media account yes say for now dear one send a large so rano one and that's a petrol making us one and Shaka project and some Agama running here Jamina is almost a alleged Sunday one on social media handle and some energy and woman shall say my investigation in and some Yajumakama na Jamina says Sakobasampo woman some investigating Nabasampo Urano and some be anti-Semitic and your post and our social media none yes I hand on one Casana dia and yet the English FNO and some Nabet Miachan as well as the Miniano and a singer Arsenal and some started investigations in the moment I had the FA Omum and some started San Shamuna and no update to Emma who something yet the Emma yet for an pay and some our shoulders who are Brian our side your fans Arsenal just and I was here to us the through essence and a brain one of them said make an prince frontier your father said Bukao Saka no and I just Emro Omuchumadia Barcelona one of some man of the match award and also now after so about 2 goals I'm a player your father said Alfred and about Kusosono and yes I'm for Biashasia now Jomo Canning on Sunday we bet me at the Akutena your father said Bukao Saka and you compare Harry Kane we bet me at the Bukao Saka and some compare Real Madrid I'm a player your father said Vinicius Junior at there what do you about I numbers as some AK now by way I was just 23 years on me until I was started to Bukao Saka na chat no idea Sabia Bukao Saka or Yaku Kanko but 30 years I think I'm a Saka one of 23 years now just Akutano was a crow on me now many times to the Abbas and national one what to the Abbas ABF for Sunday Yabaka Sabia numbers enter them they don't compare Harry Kane no and Sabia Vinicius Junior no and Yatinum what to the Abbas has still now boy no as our chance to say one of some other man home and so one of some our Quenya so bet me improvisations and now no cast on you medical to Casa when you feel a Jonumi and Sapa and I ask my coach now you found some Mikala Tata and some other two got to find a Quatana and will make a difference and all yet many channel.
You have to be able to put yourself in that position. What he's done at his age, obviously, you can already put it in brackets because you can compare what he's done in his first 6 years as a professional footballer, which is exceptional, and that's it. And his aim is to improve. He has the players and the environment around to continue to do that, and I'm sure he will. You have to be able to do that consistently.
Yes, not just one many channel our GDS Ayate Aquatano and some other man home and so much as a motompano and some Ayakama and no Ayaka from us what Deba something yet Emma yet for an pay and some our shows and our Milan and the Montes Subakua your fans a similar Medicania to himself way and about the first time and I since 2005 I Barca Milan Timono one of some winning 4 matches our year your fans said Champions League and some Maria to so not just a Melantimo, woman some mother so Yachmatina and Ramatumpa. I could not have found Rafal Leo a boy and some animal Rosenaris not a swine pa. Now and Roman for so Bonabas was answer. Woman to me a pass and a money and no boy. Now and also our Sroboina Yakana Samano. One of some player. What you can marry Jana and your problem or breast that day. And yes, see the way I'm just and I'm not going some else up by. Now report on a second and some other Jamina Sakutano and they Oma Bonabas and Ra. One of some other Kakari Tuka. After the game player, your father Sandra Folio and your man of the match, our Dribum, Wabel Kobas and Ra from a go up. Abasa our team, I restore parity. One was about second go, I'm a queer 2-1 in Kunimdia, and some Milan Baboko after the game. No, we and some branch of fans, Rafael Leo and some other Tuka.
Wasn't our best performance. I think first half we could do more. We could score more goals because this team was expecting our mistakes to create opportunities to score. First off, I think we was like more concentrated than the second half. Second half was a little bit different, and I think the goal we get was like a distraction, a moment of distraction. Then they score, but in general we didn't stop fighting. We didn't stop to keep going, and I think the final we get the goal and was.
And no, I can't free a branch of fans. Leo Aswade by our brand new Cobas, one game a Barcelona, woman from Latin Kunna said, I tell say, Sir A. Similar Bobo Corabasa, woman direct qualification, our brand Milan, and some more a playoff our near. Your fan says second 8 and third 8 in Mudia, and your 2 games are coming in. Bakum I against Aya Gironia, Yatosumian I against Aya Dinamo Zagreb, and oh, I too much as Akarma Bobokua. Your fan said Rossoneri, this enemy on Unino, woman so I shall say a better, woman some Nabanya direct qualification at your comb. Now, yes, Milan and Pern for the 3 of us, Weno, a gamer, a winner ball at the man Milan Bobo Conimia Unino, woman some Nabatimia and Sompa, and no I update about Brayaka, a year matches, arches, and what can you know? When I'm saying Yamiama January, and I saw 2 matches, I was advertisement, Yavia, a year champions, a year crocodile, a year Bronya Swabana, January. Will be out 2 matches. I can also winter transfer market. Now, Obetia is saying is Eddie Abiam, UEFA for say, you want to just a player be about signing, and I just summon, want to mean register and my name must have 2 matches. And no, I can Obetia about Gisabia, what qualified a run of 1600 year registration, number Cavani panel, number Sabia would probably about January, number 1 Gisabia count 2 games, a year group first anymore, and into Omabama to be qualifying, and yes, and no other yet my Gisabia any planet train, and I will pour a year group matches in me and Sana, one of some at me up, and also I update Tabana German second, sir, Sheriff, Juventus, I'm match ball, and some Mammy already kind of ball for the Abba, not Jomo Canning on a match ball, the idea ball a year so far, best as 6 matches in Inano, your ball a year 7th and 8th game every year. Woman Yuzubium, the next phase, I know about run of 16, ABM, and some other Sabiba Bonia, you can say be a players in Inano, woman away, and some I fired up Bono, and some I don't know, not just away, and some I pro match ball. I just and at the next stage, I don't match UEFA, woman champions league, where are your baller? Woman some never use the ball, I had the next phase, no, and I announcement I UEFA for no, and some day about Brano Peno, yet I update some demo. Now, Candia to him, sir. The last 10 matches, Abobokua, Yafana Man City, Abonino, and Kuye. Waluzuma Kumaku 7. What draw me a new unwinning Bakupa, and Okanama Fan Sam, and Kurudia Kituabi, one and not ten Abanao Sha, Unsha will be not just a stone and Shadan Koye, and some Mambo Fanasa Man City in Enra, many Jafanasa Ayetiago Mota, Wamukobusa quote and say. Openi na anyabiano wona motivate ayon kwadai aman kwadai ababa ya Juventus enso ariyetia Man City ano no se dabi wonum wo motivate obia na oye player na wo ya kwada te san kwada na omusi akama jufa wo bebo aye Man City ani kwansa wo twen se bi obi ana motivate ani kwansa wo twen o manager so no ana motivate dabi kwada na anim se omne Man City ana bo kwada na ya wasa Man City bobo ku no wo msom aye side omujino na so pa enti game na nkasa kra no enso na motivation adaman kwadano na enwa one ne nkwada na chere maturity ebiem enso na say wo mo chere ability awasa matene mo ama enwa chese kroye enso aye adwuma de man team no na jamense kan say omakwadano a wo hye number 10 say na akomko because aye juve wo mo number 10 yemfa mo obi akeke yen carry crowd na no yakra Pogba ebe share 10 I just said the ball no nyina banya 10 bi and some Manchester, okay, Alexandro Del Piero, woman, you know, some other Donne, a yet 10, and maybe a chum, and think you can't Juve a tenor. Your franchise said will be a keke. Now, and I could have in a show about 10 small boy, and now Mubusana, sir, where do you say, this work is here because you're the number 10, MO Juva, not just a Jumanum, and I could say, I know crack. Now, one cousin, and yet just watch us, I just number because on all reference at the Piero Crano, one would type in come around and shedding cranny identity, Nania just one and a show number 10, and some other man Juve way, I can show this, Yentio Bueno.
Look, you are the youth of Juventus. You scored on your European debut as well, taking the shirt from Del Piero. How much are you enjoying this role here at Juventus and the goals you're scoring and playing in this team?
A lot, of course. A legend like him, to have him behind me and helps me a lot. But like I said also in the other interview, he's a legend. What he did is amazing. And yeah, I'm a young guy. I have to work on myself. So yeah.
And look, you are the youth of Juventus.
Yes, and no, I Juve, Oma Quadana, friends, Canan Jotes, and I'll just say, dinner exception. So, and some other man live on Sompa 93.1 FM, live on Sompa TV, and Afe, make us a Facebook, and some more like can watch and Afe, what are messages, and some idea grass area bar. Now, Mansiri, and I know Pawutia, I yet Jumaria Fansa, I yet to perform a say. City supporters and say, woman war and and free Kyle Walker and some number from Ruben Diaz because Yaboboye no mayor post match warrior captain. Now there be a Ruben Diaz and it's just a good to and a post match and you want some fata captain. No crowd you say woman did you pass on my last match or some the last 20 matches on my ball. Brubia Quadana Fanasa Kyle Walker, Abasatibiano, and Koye. Now, Jomo Canasa, woman are 2 weeks out of 10 matches. Kyle Walker and some Astarte, not just and yet 81 of crutches on one Casa Quan Ambandi, more demand from day one. One more question. I'm a manager because I players none of the Ambana Command idea. National supporters, and some Masha said a prosha and a Perifano, so Namano Casino, Yerim Sam Man City, Omutimino, and Yoma Shadan Koya Toko them, Amachas and Yoma Enquire report to Amina, and some other Abana say, yes, Florent Vet, I'm a back and answer, and some show and I have Florent Vet, and send me the other two that Sakudani Yobia, woman some other sort of fun at dinner bar. Na and then Jaminian sir, would you live a cruise and a woman some summer yan and Tam, Oman and Tamwa, will be the far monthly for Yapre. Not the Mansiri Abaswama Yana say, woman, are the players Abacantono. Now, some of the players Abacantono who dear. Yes, Liverpool, so no, woman the camper, I just some months ago say, now James McCarthy, now some at the saying, and our Corona fans Oscar Bob, one on some to say, and Tony Oscar Bob, and James McCarthy, Liverpool and Pomino, was some upper Florent Vita, and a Montanas and a Moncania Serbia Kotawe, when you born Bob Bruta. And some numbers me are joining the Scarborough some Man Syria and no my update about Unimsa Enra manager Faris Pep Guardiola. What about Juve Basuria was a Juventus a amazing team. Not yet. Yes, manager Kokasa football future. Juventus among some. And yes, now I didn't Pep. Sir, Obetim Yaka 1 game per Ujina so Adiakasi a football and some Dutch baby. I may be a team be ever ready. I will say, and I say be a team be ever so. I was a one a Jufa was same a Juventus Omutimo. Now what did you pass and Quadano Popo say? Adama Juventus no masa was same Omunim Papa. Now our Juventus the best essence and you may queer the Momuda so poponi. And about Kubusan, sir, yes, a Drubabi Cranan Caraba Johnny Juve and Ukre, and was a Yano Creta. Sans Mebeto just some years ago, sir, one about Juve or about Johnny Juve, Nukabi answered Namum, what did he about a football and dancing? I have football future and some Ayabokua. Your friend said Juve, Omuria game, many Janum, yes, Kai Gunduan. What Kai a general Koya Ewo Barcelona, a general Ama Ikai, one the same Gunduan, BM Omuted omudi jare kwan wo cancel last season omudi PSG ana Araujo kwadi red card Gundogan koka postman say ana we elementary mistake na just a mistake no or the blame ni nyina no at Ronaldo Araujo ama boy no so abufu pa na enobi ana wasa koka na enwa yes Gundogan say enioma Man City enam ni nyina no aya mental just what three about mentally and you man quite psychologically and ya one was our coach and so penny who we are born post match and say not going to a cocayo coach and say on a good one and yadring young manager Fanasa Pep.
Congratulations for the way they defend, for the transitions they did it, but we were incredible, aggressive in our high pressing. We won the long balls. The back four was. I'm not agree with Ilkay. I think of course it's tough when you prove it, and except 1 or 2 games in this period that was not good. The rest we play quite similar. I give credit to Juventus. Congratulations for the way they defend, for the transitions they did it, but we were incredible, aggressive in our high pressing. We won the long balls. The back four was really, really good. Of course, it's a cross, and Vlahovic is strong in that position, but the way we played, I'm really pleased. I'm not agree with.
Yes, I know. I am some manager, Francis Joseph Pab Guardiola, and I'll tell you, your dead manager, except Sinino, and my for an anno penum, Yamia, weekend, Yerim said Manchester Derby, at Basso, Mayu for more Tomohuana, and as a via, Mobile Yama, as a trainer, Tomoko, says a Man City trainer, drew us nobody Biona, yet Uncle Freddy, Yanshio cry, you don't want them too much. We first came a Premier League, Man City Bank. By now, and I can be a Chelsea Messi Jambe, Kamajosa, and Kakwimbi and Fonso Betia Hubiano, and Kabatia, and Manchester Radio Esimusi, Ruben Amorim, Ono Kwadani Yamia Duma, Sunday Mo Bo, a young Manchester Derby, manager Fanasa Pep Guardiola, and your Bisana say, and your Biano, a criminal Mofaso Prepaso, and the other of the Edechamua, watching a Muruzumu training near Genomaba Prepare Celebea, when we came against Manchester United, no. Woman some about me about and what defeat in the woman the 2 of my manager Fanasa Pep Ekasai.
It's just we have been this month many times, and now we are of course disappointed. Tomorrow we'll recover, we have a day off, we'll prepare the game against United with our people and try and seize in the good things we do and improve that we can do better. It's just that. We have been this month many times.
Yes, I know I can manager Fanasa Pab Guardiola and Sono. What is your Dennis Sam Emma for an anno pay and some our show Sunamum, Woko Aya Dortmund, Omugame and Basso, Wabra Cobas at Dortmund, Ebo Game Evo Fie, Signal Iduna, Natasa, Bassasha, no mate, no Bassasha, no mate, Nabasaria Soso Massa, and Nuri Sain, on coach, Adama Dortmund Timino, now Nuri Sain, and was say. One of the best work can in Ashen Papa. Now, didn't you Ashen and say, and what game about one shall be Biano? Was over who Cranisa and what Dortmund, Oman Concoursier, and what Dortmund, a Bobo Papa. Now, a Debacana or Ja, on the Sober TB, I want to assume, and say your Bobo. What born a question say, was this awesome? The young one person to be cry. Now, and what game a match beer? No, some committee dinkum, match beer to say a game. I was so crime beer, so share, and some other cranimal. Na Sanwa Pana, Wamacha Barcelona, a John Musay. I'm a manager of Swat Trust. I am a Yasenra, Wamusum and Barcelona, Wamus other Bassa, one channel. Now, baby, I have book game now, Crocodona, FC Bolsa, and now Oka clubs from Hiaska will be a Hiaska, but Bassa, the Omuyasika Pa. As of now, report on the second say, baby, my bomb matches, Ababetuno, Womanya, a Yesika Sompo, 29.1 million euros, and no amount so far. Basa Bobokuno, Womusum Anya Aka Crabino, never drew a 30 million. Nasa Kabasa Bonsa, woman to me finish our top 8 anymore. Now from team number 1, embassy number 8, Basa Awamudia, woman saying additional amount and as extra of 2 million euros. And no Ababa, Sakabasabia Bonsa, and some let me finish it near Canasa first, and some our league first anymore. Bonsa Timino, Ebenya extra 9.9 million euros. I know I just incentives are you ever for no and some other our branding in Albertina. Sanya be a boss for me at and I say be a boss at Timino, woman some to me and Jim first woman final so na sampo wo som antimi wini eno ensom de from aso de ba ho nsem ni nyina no ye de ema ye te for enano pai ensom awo show no so enum sa wo ma branch fa no sa aye dan olmo ekasai ye ba olmo adia no so na mom ansana eno akodan na ye fa no Mark Casado mebeka boy we asem na omo be start season na ye be hu Mark Bernal plan him say no ano no Casado no kwa medical be chiro mu say wo hwe in the pecking order na manager na ereti Mark Bernal ensom a chain akwada na fa no say Mark Casado na so na Bernal epraye adwuma Casado abono ma say no a yes manfo so manya the new Sergio Busquets na akwada na ebobo pa jemense kan say boy ne say do be so kan nyina no say nioma ekoye dema no bola wanya bi bono say yesi ko nyina no monkoda aye manager na fa no say Hans Flick and some ase na enye easy so your coach adama team bi arsa Barcelona oba wo say emperifo ho ebia nka betumi akwago to bi aba wo say dabi omo no akoda ketu ateso no ana ba be hemfifi ama Barcelona team ananka Zavinum ani Iniesta num ani Leo Messi ni ya ye fa no say Busquets mu na bono wo ama akoda ketu atise ensom aba hemfifi dia oh wo so omo die America na say because what did you ever say be odwunu pamba so wo kɔ no nyina no aye manager no na ama no sa tumi na wono som akwanto da no coach ase manager no se enra won say boys no ball pa no onya 100% ready a oma omonti no wonder senra wo ma kwara na fa no say Ferran Torres every bench aba ya wono som abenya go na meka aye Lamine Yamal asama kirao na wa bro J man of the match award enra wo kai wo last game mo ball Trevela masa meka sem bi atwam no na aye Ricardo Quaresma nombra bon na you say your player na talent pa kanya be Ronaldo mu no Quaresma ball masa na adiche bia ne mu nsamuntia acha so chabon na bad enya so do tibeka atena kasa nie na so na Lamine Yamal no ana boss Trevela we kan wo dia ya sesene makoma 4 ekọ enum pass be 5 mpo ana cha so dia idea maboboku a ye fa no bounce am Lamine Yamal say wo mo ko draw aye Betis no na ho behia se enra wo mo so adin kunim awasa match ne mo na mom yentia Dani almost our bas signal duna dead den your ma nyina chutimi po na chese pass dominating game enra aye first half and second half nyina no na chese bouncer and a dictator no Dani Olmo and so akasai
we dominate both half. Of course Dortmund is a team that always pushes you to the limit. They had the chances as well, but I think we did a great game. We had our chances. I think we could score even more maybe in the first half, but I think the team has to be satisfied with the game, of course, because it was very
yes, na chasa said Suko Biana or Samoya satisfied no Ayasama Quadana Furnace Dani Olmo and our test and exception in Yano yet Emma yet for an anno power short of Swafe Yanko Aya Real Madrid said your good news ever and no Aya Quadana Furnace Kylian Mbappe what can say a start to Friano Pabisia maybe Roman say Kai Diabanye na wabro kobas ya international break in Papa and Kobe and of course Sweden medically out to just so called Chef's Jolie restaurant wabasem called V Night Club from a ho and of course the bank hotel I'm a baby beka sign no be and some afana just anya faketwa kra what 10 and 9 times radia I just say or the amuno I just say wabasem no mtiri ba say unia na omo ye hwema me de beka me de beto twa say the moment e bia asem no work out yen nyan kanwie no wontimi nya sound mind emfa mo and none of Payaba Studios and Diamensa can say who do Sweden yesem omo justice system no womo the announcement about wey a press release na omo press release a ban say womo say evidence behind ho lack of evidence anti a branch of say Mbappe no so woman drop aye charges and your money allegations a bias who are 2 bi muna and wa 4B and attending no woman say you want to just no crab bia enim today woman so akwara na mfa no ho ni eturu so dina Mbappe adin kunim aye 1-0 na ni pro no and also abayas can Dani Cavaya say wodiri ba say papa bia nhire ni ho a just on wodiri ba say Mbappe pro no enye serious aba so mo confirm here so far about 23 23 matches in all competitions. Now 23 matches this season, now say Mbappe injury, Barca, Oma confirming quality, I know, and about the 27th injury at Real Madrid, and some other register at Liverpool for Moncranie. Yes, Trent Alexander-Arnold, Yakase Obiti Bomua. Ayakwadano, where the red definition of the head is conquer, not just a genie bomb massa. Yes, you know, Real Madrid for being such a quadano. So, boy, way, as a Senate J, Este, our Liverpool, na miracle market on the wall. Medical become more seller or be saying Van Dijk, Ebeste, I not to know. Real Madrid for cash on the fall free, on the fall somewhere. It's a good idea. And say, baby, I have no. Now, okay, 2002 Real Madrid and in Liverpool in Champions League final. And some amateurs as it done. The number kumpa volley, half volley, massa. Now, yes, Roberto Carlos must say. Sabono, and yes, it done obi and Timmy Mobi. Shaq Benyam, yes, it done Jit in the Bankumi Metrubabi. No more day, my class, the 209 Champions League semi final return leg against Barcelona. I'll compare, yes, it done at Diano, and Roberto Carlos, and yes, it done or be anywhere. Sabono, Robert Miabobi, yes, a Manchester coach, Ruben Amorim say, one more target, and it's one by Premier League. Now, Omasawa Champions League anymore. Now, Obianum says Europe and Otia automatically will qualify for Champions League, but Omono and Yahono Moshe, almost a Premier League in the day. I was said that you want to make minimum, Wamu Jumaya, Serbia, Ban Academy, Nimu, and then you might be also your players. I was Wamu improve and Sanyo Maninano, also a Sanyo Man and Sana, Manchester to me at the Premier League in the way. I Ruben Amorim.
Coach, I cannot focus just on that, the way we can see in the future titles or something. I think that our goal is to win the Premier League. That is our goal. Of course, you can do the math and you understand that for a big club like us to be in the Champions League is so important. And then you can look at the table and you can see that from Europa League maybe is easier. That you can take this information for this context, but I'm not focused on that. Our goal is to win the Premier League, not just to go to Champions League. To go to Champions League is an important point to win the Premier League. That is really clear, but for me, the most important thing is to win and to see something different in the team and in every game.
Bishop, now, on here,
I'm out on Bibi Aboko, Paminia.
Mezana BBI find it.
Come on. Papa, Aquabo, Papa, Papa, yeah,
I don't know you know, cry, haircut,
but the hairline. We call hairline, hairline to hairline. Maninaso, Ghana will be arguing NJG. Many see in the bed, we were now checking out the machine in 15 years.
It's a hairline party.
Hairline for hairline.
It's a day.
Aura for aura. Mama, Papa Mupa.
Sompa. Oh!
Evidence based.
Let me brief.
You brief.
I want to brief.
Good. 2. Ghana, I'll call you on crying. So, you maybe on crying, Marty. Because, again, every GBC. Now I can cry, now I can hear you. Only with town, Nabulamu, or Joy Martinia. A man at the Okonya. Now, only minimum. You know, San Echoes with the fine. Yawaha.
Yala, yo,
patrol. Massima make so here now you too much. Mira, be mamma.
We need to.
Good.
What's a bam and I'm a chim?
Manutuan accepts patrol.
Good.
As some day.
And then the case number 1. Premier League in Bajinda Bay.
2028.
Before elections and after elections.
Oh, we said
2028. No.
It's a bit before elections.
Because May 2028. Fancy.
It's before elections.
You know, in a contract. It be 2028 and Sunday.
Oh, some year away. Yeah, Pampe.
But and the Ghana in Anion to Muse. May 2028.
Oh, yes.
Amorim Ball.
Yeah.
Amorim Ball.
Yeah.
For the Premier League. Fantastic news. Into which is Amorim 2026 better no team.
Oh, yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for the word so sweet.
Thank you. Fancy. Obia ni mukrum ha ene Ghana baby a obra papa wabo. O ma me mpa ya wabo atawa chini ntete ya ode ama. Ene wa obra abo nkakra bon se baby girl be pay one penna. No be to catch obi say wa repeat no. Na ya ka say fancy a repeat girl be. No girl be be. I mean for Grace. On timi nyam hwe. Fancy a repeat Grace. Ansa na yenkɔ hwe asɛm ni hu sɛ enye no kore no. Na o endorsements biblia free with you.
Yeah.
Nti akomia, life is actually susceptible to an odd allegation. Or that's it now on koba yemu se me kobo me bra fancy me ye me ye bi me ye si no. Obi bitimi dia asɛm bi ato so. Sɛ enye no kore tim keja. Sɛ bi man hwɛ nkwachi. Obetimi aka ne ho nsɛm bebree sɛ na sɛ bi ma no susimnem opejimie ne nsɛnkwa adodo. Na opa agro dodo. Opa yensi no prepare dodo. But Benjamin Mendy was a successful footballer.
Yes.
For both club and country. Fancy. Now Benjamin Mendy had trophies with Manchester City. League titles, Carabao, FA Cup, Akumia and them.
They no match bia no.
2018 France team na Koji World Cup no. Now Benjamin Mendy count. Benjamin Mendy who ya kum or baby the charge atono so. Said you ako rape ni twi atono mo na.
And me one video be here and I'm saying to rape.
So fancy. And as our chrome on so no say no musu omo life no. As soon as a sexual assault and a rape, nyame anim no kwani ni sa abrochie pa na me ye adwuma. Nyame anu afia na be ananka ya cheme dada. Rakosa so mo.
Oka no kro.
Akosia so mo. By now because by now me tene na so on the desk. Me kra ne bag. Makobɔ ne to. Na me dwane.
Asa ko here yere kra de ke atu atu.
Na no agosu asomo ko washu mo na me say o ma me nko bi ni zip man. No nko jo so. So look, see all these things fancy we do.
Yeah.
Abrochire no sexual masa umwade mba na nka me letter board da. So Mbappe the case no. Fancy agro okase na wait egu ne so no. Ba ko no akomia obeda na dwubia oyem de ubrim.
Unim die be cancer.
Exactly. Ke inti yene na musa no it will just take one odd girl. Said you or no hwa ne awon ne nani nje ho. Then you are in trouble. Na anu ye be na akomia odebema. We be inti san bema video bi no.
And you know the nickname look smart and sharp.
Okay.
I said no name say bibi at sabesi. And then na me no na by force umumwa shase bobo.
O ko kire wase mu akire wan. Na hwa na beto ase because me na me ze pa bi dada. Na oba sa ba be ka say mato ne mu na me mu me kwa bonta ko ka say me na me ka che girl ne say girl mu me ka che me say me ne na e na me say me ne na e na hwa na be ji sa ase anadwuma na asem be.
Shark de ni bi say on sentempa we yaba.
So pay the ato ase.
The
Cancel
public,
culture,
the public court no. Somebody can rule in favor of the lady even before
absolutely. Fancy.
Court can rule in your favor, but the public damage and everything. Your sponsors and everything they will share away. You are done.
What are you going to do?
Glued is done.
Massa, born or bopao. Fancy you're ball or ball France or go. National team to say or Jamaica. Eh? Kire.
And no one is anonymity. The same person.
That is the culture we have now.
Tie pass eh wadaroma mpanyufo de baby asem ne da no omo de ato. Ayo because like how are you going to survive this? Now the more I watch Lamine Yamal the decision making the more me jitu sa akomi a special talent. Enye sana me jintu. But
Sompa sports.
One will be a befem. Falls down. Into no, yeah, and my way, my minya botekakra. And Rasa reverse pass be or the ma Ferran Torres Chego.
Yeah.
The timing of the pass and then the space. I'm say Stephen Odro. And I did the pass on command or say pass, papa. Any day, Oba. The panel de man on a didn't go. pass ni boy bar. Sometimes you don't even need to control the pass ball again.
Enuni.
Then he comes inside.
I dream behind.
Or left back and center back. Or chomu you there. One pass no. Wada ma okwa echi a. Eyi nipa miensa ne film. Where ready. 3v3. Enyesa.
Yes.
3 na be 3v2.
Omo miensa nyina omo line.
Omo nyina film. The awareness and the execution of the pass. I don't know Stephen Udo can. Or what pass in the power to move now pass in the air with me. Defenders training in every
and the decision making awareness of Bishop Book and Crown will be an Kobama player and I offside.
Exactly. Intimira, in one breath, one pass, he got everything right. And it was beautiful. Yankopo stress a pra any aquadro, it be manaquem. The more I see Lamine Yamal, say all Chilby, say all boss are pass way, or Sami Usman Dembele or Dortmund.
Tamano phone.
Until Uber bomb pies are picking them. Name omo bona na enche. Nenyefe. Ki trivel ane di omo bona eba FO. So especially so timi twa ball no ya. Ball no kunya otum say hokosa beto wanim. Odo na kan ya na dem. He's a fabulously gifted young player. Onimbo. Okay, Onimbo. Onimbo. We have to accept it. He's real. He's the deal.
Yeah.
He is. I'm hearing China and Mr. Musu free hini. And a guinea for a guinea Bissau. Equito. Batasa. A hydrant. Okay, a hydrant. A hydrant. Now to the substantive issue, fancy. My time like at 3 minutes, me that's send your kind. League in the house, man UJ. Now 2028. Social media. Now just say how many years na Marco?
From 2013.
Mm-hmm.
11 years now.
So Muko 11 years.
11 years.
Okay. Until Muko 2023. 10 years. And I say 2024, 11. Until you do 33, the other is 20 years.
That 33 no ko fine now.
Debut. Say 28 now, dear mommy.
33 ne ma.
But it tells you the stress and then the pressure football brings to coaches. Fancy Nyoyi, results on Sunday will determine his fate.
Okay.
And Monday, training. Tuesday, training. Wednesday, training. Thursday, training. Friday, training. 5 days. Saturday, team meeting. Small shake-up. Tactical drill. And until our players, no more park in the sun. 3 o'clock. Balate, park in the sun. Pay. That 90 minutes is expected to define 5 days of hard work on the training ground. The few things they do. Coach Namha, the players Namha, we Boha, we Faha, we Raha. But the ultimate test, fancy, results on the page. It's the results.
Sompa Sports.
And you know, pressure never had another day.
Now me was as if we
Yes, the pressure.
But when the video be, no, we are on preparation for Victoria Players game. On quite no ejina baby din abro mo ye shika fu na ne sa gu ne bu se no jina oza heni din na so wonya hu we team we betimi ama esem a obeka firi wanu ma balo wa kra ro be ho
mentally obey exhausted.
But you see Shadrack Mame the Champions League table no na yanhwe how serious the situation is. Manchester City, 8 points. PSG was 7 points. The next game is Man City versus PSG. Now, beneath Manchester City, there is PSV and Hoven. And there is Dynamo Zagreb. Dynamo Zagreb had a more difficult game against Manchester City. PSV, home, not against a tougher opponent. Then you have Stuttgart, and also more against a tougher opponent. So meaning Stuttgart, omo form ya ye de hu ye omo boy. Any PSV, bar results omo during the midweek, against Brest ne to nchen a. Omo mi enu ni betime nya 3 points na ka ho. PSV beko 11, Stuttgart beko 10. Dynamo Zagreb might drop. It will only drop a bar. I was say I see a bar because I become with 2 teams now on the free corner, which is PSG and Stuttgart. That means PSG and Manchester City. City could drop out of the playoff zone and won't qualify for the next round of the Champions League.
Wait.
PSG and Stuttgart was 77.
Yes.
Omo da se ho no mo kick out no kra no omo mienu no and likely so me qualify to the next round because omo to aso no nyina 4-4 and omo next games near tough. Stuttgart, Shakhtar, Sparta Prague, Storm Graz mu no mo baby omo nam ne de edi mo. It is a PSG ni Stuttgart free mo meaning e was a 2 na wo playoff round no so tibaye dey. Yes. Now, so 2 no better aba no. PSV ni Dynamo Zagreb na da City achi. PSV next match home. PSV bebo one of the teams no mo ase ha no mo ye knockout no mo free book. So beti ma share.
Bratislava Young Boys.
Sa set no na PSV bebo bi. Obo fie. By Dynamo Zagreb dey na dey because Dynamo Zagreb bebo Arsenal wa we.
Okay.
What you say? Stuttgart so bo mo ase wona bia. Sisa PSG ni Stuttgart ni be movie up na Zagreb aba down PSG ni Stuttgart movie call up na Zagreb aba down what's about say free hoba that means City PSG ni City suna ebo
the chance say January
PSG
7 and Festa ebebo PSV Eindhoven
PSV obekwa away Resta no so baby on nam ne baby on that dey ojam
PSV Eindhoven last game how bebo eno ebeye fie no hold on mama miss real quick na me nhwe mas very necessary obebo Liverpool
PSV bebo Liverpool
e wo fie so be a Liverpool with 100% record of but me very sure say Liverpool qualified that in advance
me Liverpool be win omo game no
omo first 8 in the e be a hono na slot Bernard say rotation.
January. Pack schedule. You have to rotate.
Yeah.
So decide an ankasa Paris Saint-Germain and Manchester City game. And then the last game was City.
City next match on
Monday PSG. Ewo France.
Jesus Christ. I feel be a sign pa no akabo.
Asem no ehu chance there.
Now for the last game of your Club Brugge. City.
Agreed. Baby a City jina na ye. But baby ehu no e PSG there no.
Na me ba o. O ma me e ma hwe me kakra. We dey chire mu ye na say mani so.
City to me free mo.
I don't know about
me free man because Odru work fans na feel say City be free.
And
omo fans no.
And Ojam, the situation at Manchester City keeps on getting worse. And then I would take a Galo and accept no Bekaina. Or say they can't keep the ball so well.
A mental problem. And our coach is one and
what is City can't keep the ball so well. Right? City, Pep Guardiola team here is built on 3 things: pressing, precision, and a possession.
Now no work I say or deep going to one bar back. I'm say one of the maybe be a mistake or a and no ball now drew for the Coco Shane. Kona going to one or track.
Oh, tracking
America crown to me
Kobe. On until and it will keep on get me. One thing I know this weekend at 7 o'clock the member so because City there. I heard cry no more the revive. City I heard more the revive hope kakra. Omo the revive omo hope le kakra. Because boys no mo go Manchester Crew me nyomo nisa. I heard City the omo revive omo hope at the end of the day. But the situation keeps on getting worse, And Adina Yakono, they would need to rebuild too. And you see, Abraham they struggle no more players be more City players or muji to me say betime John Marco. They became so arrogant. What if Fabio Capello? Or say Pep Guardiola became so much as well arrogant and atrocious say or person say born na the team nation cry no and free the players na you know Guardiola na ɔno ni gyina bench no na ma players no yɛ ɛma win ne timi ba. And this is a coach now onim what did you trophies wadru baby and nsɛm na wɔka no betimi agye na tum. But me so baby am feel say City also became arrogant with their approach. It's when they decided to say, oh, Ojam, baby, I do the player we cry back man. They trusted their system to a certain extent. Say, which one way or the other, I would agree. Say there are some players who mujo buyer a fadema omo. But I think there are some key players within this City setup. They fail to replace them. Number one, rivalries. The quality you offer, Savino buy Ojam own share go back.
But he's not ready for this level. 1, 2, fancy. The last 3 wide inverted playmaker Kumwenga. My usual tactics.
Yeah.
David Silva 1. Otimi Boss a winger. Otimi be number 10 on FIFA. And Omufi on call Mahrez. And Mahrez and Omuko Leroy Sané. Sané Mao goals. No Asama direct yes Savinho and then Mahrez was the ultimate angasa. Goals, assist as a winger with needs to be number 10. Then they moved on from there. They don't have that. It is telling a 10 BB and an ETC form. But numbers on my elite numbers.
On team match City numbers instead of telling their mom.
You get it into the downgrade.
They are also Julian Alvarez.
Mahrez ne die.
Julian Alvarez.
Let's say Man City Mohamed Salah. Bona Salah bona.
And then Mahrez is skillful crossing Salah.
Nene ho unipa o kwa Atletico Madrid. Julian Alvarez. Share the number of goals or their more this time around. So ka Ellen Haaland can fa. On the Alvarez never be decoy. No prebo on the tunet. But then say Haaland ni hunu a. Why now the barman na be mouse how goes no?
This is born in January you say pie born say in say Haaland bra.
Asem no. Sitting tofu back ho Guardiola they be inverted. No akofa midfielder Rico Lewis. No akofa we ka wo kan ete so no.
No one dey recovery pace na no the ball. Obi anim so wasa. But okosaya ade na o speed pa.
Say speed so ayira.
When you need. Na me expect senka there will be a long-term planning.
That is it.
Me know ya adwin also me so.
Inti Guardiola madwuma na omo ye no enyan service sei.
Okay, inti omonko Chelsea omonko fa Malo Gusto.
Na Chelsea for the better Malo Gusto.
No. That's a resume so.
Why you proud?
Like open Mrs. Yai. C'est Trent kwa. They break it bank for Malo Gusto.
Among teams no more pay Afonso Davies no City should be there.
Whereby he's old.
City should be there.
Let back near one is it.
It's a this anyone not to book a canoe for another video na
so boy Wolves guy no sa ain't Nuri no.
It's Nuri ni so ho.
No, but omo Spain under 21 guy boss how boy no come me just say number 3. Omo backup the Bibi Gomez. Sergio Gomez omo to on man nko.
There no
omo Spain left back be on papa but your offensive kind of guy.
Okay.
Now the same Milos Keke so.
Milos Keke so for Bournemouth. And they need to recoup as soon as possible. Let me say Corners FC. And now Monaco ni omo ampa. Just say Corner na ba. Call ya Monaco for But one thing I'm happy about is say the foundation of Hill End Arsenal Academy no. The standard when it comes to trophies has always been Tony Adams, Ray Parlour, these guys. In recent times, you know, maybe Ashley Kwabefemko, Jack Wilshere Befemko, but Karen Gibbs, Mone, Serge Gnabry, these guys now are from Kakra in terms of the production and Arsenal producing from the Hill End. But the standard Bukayo Saka are left for Arsenal. I did also hear all the trophies by attaching whatever he's doing for Arsenal. But and not tell Louis Kelly Crampola. He said he looks up to whatever Bukayo Saka is doing with this Arsenal. And not 2 goals, 1 assist. This is in 21 goal involvement in 21 games. Bukayo Saka is legit. And I think the numbers are really cracking up. And he said trophies, no, the better trophies, no, so no. And I was a coach, no, 10 China, Corners FC for coach, no. Obey no. What me abon home day. Not Arsenal.
Saka the almost season we bought next season na trophy ama Bukayo be moving on.
I believe if Real Madrid is looking for a right winger, they should be looking at Bukayo Saka. So Real Madrid, left-footed right winger, they should be looking at Bukayo Saka. Because 2 seasons a day anyway, Real Madrid didn't find any target. Arsenal need trophy be Amumura. Oh, at Real Madrid now, they don't have a specialist in the right winger role.
What does that mean?
Rodrigo and the ball as an alternative like in that particular role.
You'd have to trade one of those young boys.
That is it.
That's what I said. You'd have to trade.
And they will have to. Real Madrid will have to.
Anti-racismo.
They will have to.
Racismo front triple. Sorry, but on the lighter side, fancy. Saka on the right. Mbappe on the left.
Yeah.
Vini running through. No more rotate here. The king is a
okay. Well, yeah, but so mamene
yeah, mumpe we adentina right wingers no. Akumia, omuma numbers. They all can a left-footed right wingers no their numbers no.
The right-footed right wingers. This is say no.
Oh no, like some kind of bomb more left.
Yeah, bomb more left.
One can say Palmer. He Salah, he Saka,
he Bukayo Saka.
I said, Bibiano, Omo left on ball, right?
Yes, and even as it stands in the Premier League, top 3 players of Bukuta assist: Mo Salah, Cole Palmer, Amad Diallo, a left-footed player, used as a right wing.
Okay, well, Mate, Mamene Institute of Expert Travel and Tom Pennyphone. But in the meantime, my name is Boss B. Our Damamanian quick. Well, happy birthday to Master Yeboah from a magazine. And I show a happy birthday. And your birthday, Master Yeboah. I am in sure now on to Unkwana Madio Yebiana Kamawa Nipa say. And to be a Master Yeboah once again, happy birthday. And so, ayo dear. Mamin Quena Yenim Komosan say, offers near more. Opening on where dear.
Already I do more fancy. Now so
I am Adam Kakra cricket, my finisher panso.
I think come to you na Samarina. Next year by this time na Ubia Juma Aircoso kama.
Boy and come, she say, Diana man for training more.
Fancy, did kind of memfa and Chia Emma Sompa, a Juma for a tea for a for oh baby will be biara or share and pay. Na Institute of Expert Travel and Tour,
Sompa Sports.
Yende eba na is travel and tour hunche ma ubi biara kan to bi opeso ko biara no ye ema nipa kro no se maka se yende ade me ensa pe ene ye call mandate a wo ba ye ho a wo frɛ ye numbers a be chechiru mu dedi kan ene se ye ma traveling advice because also kan to awokono so hu ehunche pa a be boa ena de to so mienu no se o se unya the right documentation to buy the kind of documents will be based on the type of the country that you want to travel. And the last one, no, visa application process. We took or say unya or passport, other documentation like the police report, CV, on based on the type of country a person will call. Na yehono jumana ye yanu say ye visa types on your work permit visa, educational or study visa, business visa to Canada, Australia, and also USA. And I tourist visit visa, marriage visa, permanent resident visa. So so and Schengen visa to Schengen countries. Be to say Germany, Italy, and France, Hungary, and the and non-Schengen countries. Be to say Qatar, Dubai, UAE. Just say all the non-Schengen countries in be to say Australia and United. Ewo ya so na ma memfa number no and location into edwa ansa na ma yedan matoa so ya numbers no 053
053
98 58 766 050 46 94 209 053 98 99 915 and the last one is 050 46 94 209. Now, I your target people. Ubia, all those say your target people, but Ubi Biara, Opesu to Cambian, based on was trying to be an eboa, but your main target in or more nurses,
midwives, pharmacists, caregivers, such as other workers such as farmers, so equiafon so factory workers, lab technicians, chefs, operators, teachers, IT specialists, public relations specialists, bankers, general laborer, security guys, construction workers, obi biara a opese utu kwan no based on sa ofodi nyina no ye ho nhyehyɛ a ye be ya yedan amount enti me can say no this week ekwa akusi ending of the year no they are very hot cake with a discount because ye call afina wie ti ye pese omo mba no ye nso so ye mom discount as a ye social obligation kakro say ye enti can to be to say UAE they say I have very 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 hot cake for nurses for last me be me kan ye nyankuru so ye omugu so ti say aka about deeper kakra bi na ye wie sika no eye papa da bia me kan ho asem say o Ghana na o pin nko na wa wie na sentu na utifi na unya adwuma den na unya dan onko under 2 years and bibia so visa inclusive okọ 1 year kura betimi aba holidays leave na wasan akọ back after 2 years no ni je ho so bekwa ubetimi akọ so other countries so a ubetimi ayedan akọ ena Canada and Limia no last me cheche Limia no ntia ne menka ho asem Canada de no so eno so yeguso a ye eda omo kura skilled laborers ene non skilled laborers no eno so ye ewo
Sompa
sports ena de na ye close no last ya san emu asan be da ho na ye pe number of numbers bi ye nyae eno mo ya ye omo de amom another one so eno so ye pe just 4 people ewo Serbia eno no sika no ewo form pa nti omo frɛ ye numbers na ye bɛboɔ mo ewo Serbia de no aye hot pa ena Australia so de no work visa business visa na tourist visa ewo Australia eno so ye ho adwuma eno so ye within this month ye mu na ye ya eno so amanfo emra ena Ernesto supermarket eno so last I make asa na warehouse for na ye pom ye we but this week no mo a ye omo de no na ye nipa 7 I think saka 4 or 5 eno no ye omo ombeko suppliers omo vegetables omo the cost supply or stores omo car any driver omo cost supply eno no so mean say by ending of ebia next week de na yakurusu nti omo tutu mrinka na omo emfre ye number both Kumasi ena Accra ena Serbia sumaka Serbia de kata so de no ti say na ye pe 10 aka nipa 6 nti kata de na me kan ye aka nipa 6 nti omo tutu mrinka na omo nya dan omo enko ye office na omo nkwa no ti say because a year na nti ya tete so say ye benya nipa bebre but next year no ebia be kan ho nti na ye pe say samri no omo nya dan omo tutu mrinka na omo nko ma mensan si number no so biem na manfa location no kra ntu jo location yeah Sufulai hona udu Sufulai watane all right udu kuma say ko Sufulai right so just barracks second gate one na Institute of Expert Travel and Tour Limited yewo ena Accra so yewo Nungwa Brigade Junction near Nungwa Police Station hon na Institute of Expert Travel and Tour Limited yewo very soon yewo ko sunwan so very very soon yewo ko sunwan na memfa number nsa antu jo biem 053 98 58 766 050 46 94 209 053 98 99 915 050 46 94 209 Enti omo frɛ numbers we nyina ye secretaries ye managers ye receptionists ewo ha on behwe omo na bibia efa akwantu hu bia no wo frɛ numbers na yebenya abotre na ya chechi because akwantu nkanya ade bia edin so wote ase a na sikase pe no so enye easy sa nti se kakra na wanya no se ye bo ho ban ebo emawo se ba bia wo kɔ no so enye dan ubenya wa hoto so nti omomfre ye numbers in USA so de ne ye yo minimum se me kan ho asema USA South Korea so de ne eye last me ka say Japan de no sika no eye papa Japan ho no adwuma wo ho pa nti ye no so omom pese omku Japan no omomfre a ye de ehun hyehyɛ dan ebema omo fancy na me de manu eba bisi no ye pe lady bia oye very good in ticketing e wa Accra
Okay.
So omote your numbers na omon fro bi o very expert in ticketing. Accra your office no your pobinti. Obi o very expert bi ya no omfre your numbers na ye di dan etu edwa no. E na omo so last week ye omo visa na aba no. Yes strom omo balance kakra na aka no. Omo famra no omo meje omo visas. Se be ya ebitimi ayama obi for
Sompa Sport.
Yes from wontutu mrinka na omo emeje.
Ezo obi de waye na aba na.
Aba ya from fancy.
Ba point me anya so anka ba na obi atu nka.
Wahu asem no sa na ati o. Obe ma pressure sa obe so ebe ba wie no. Na akoye abo bi ibidi. Obe from sa anti ye pom wa che so omo mra na omo meje de ya momo na yetimi ayamo obi foforo so. Nti omo enforce na omo mra. Na mamemfa your numbers no san to any location no number dey ehia me pa because eno na yedi ye adwuma na ankasa nti number na 053 98 99 915 ena 050 46 94 209 ena 050 46 94 209 ena 053 98 58766 enti omo emfre your numbers no na ntitimu bi obi an yemfa emomo
Mate
ye bebo omo bibre
yes we da say
okay
yes Institute of Expert Travel and Tour empenfo na wate omonka enano pe momfre na mon empenfo na enkasa wo nyame yadoma Saturday make out say on the 21st and say meme de be na watche so ana Liberty Conference where December edition eba so food for thought ene Oman Ministries ana Cabo Management yet say and eba when aye na sia some Thanksgiving adwumade na eba so Psalm 1071 eho ana waji asem no enso ade free Oman your duboache Alvin ana adwumade esi ne sele so anwom to no your mama Esther eba fe Minister Kwame Jedu Minister Moses okay Minister Kwaku Jesse ana Esther Nyameche obia ne nwum to obia ne nwum hu enya nwum bia ke komo ma gospel arches otia otum sampai ba no worshiper fei e ba ne praises enso non stop on a day dem say jabetum aha nti no na Heroes Park kanopano nsiana dwumade no e ba so nti next week Saturday ana sa aye Thanksgiving dwumade no eno so e ba so Colon Ghana Limited adaro mo say yanka ntwa man say man wo ba wadroye araba bazen tablet no na beboa so your bana o menstrual pains o cramps bosome no eso ada bi etimi jausisi ade yana ma chese nipa wo cry washi ni nyina unya aye araba bazen tablet e ana Berman so Mr. Q wadro enom ana low libido any slow erection etu asiama ana fa hunchun capsules no ebeboa ama wa odwonso awote yawo ana sempo odwonso ana suso edi good shots ne mpo be so ball u prostate enso ho ban no wadro no hunchun capsules wani nyina no China for no bina no de aye nroi enso ede abedwa so pharmaceutical shops and herbal shops ni mu 0244 27 5429 number for enjoy so 24th ana obuase gringo beaters womo carnival ebaso na Heroes Park na enwumre 7 and almost started jumedi no say womo de Kempaluta womo de Stone Boy ana fe Amrado ana bantwe no obuase gringo beaters 24th December ana sa show ebaso 50 Ghana pe now you take it no sanya free a bottle of obuase gringo beaters ni so J ayo take it oba dial star 714 star 003 star 8 hash na for follow prompt na we dey ato take it na so betimi akọ YFM insure FM poku trading aye supermarket and spice restaurant onu nyina akọ take it no won sound so ebe ka de na fe won so on empadifo no ahia bo mi sound so on a day ano be hyepa eno enso no ye kwaba ye ba na ya ba be rem enso e wo fie ni aba beto aso enso e de fifia asante goroko ejina kono nyame yarama Sunday ebo Accra House of Folk nti shanos emame ye kwaba ye ba ye behwem
Sompa FM. There's nothing worse than your multi-bet missing, but nothing better than having it saved. Bet saver. Here's Kwame and Yao After hours of planning, both have locked in the same perfect multi-bet. Big win for United, over 1.5. And both teams to score in the London Derby. But who could have picked Leicester over City? Or a high-scoring game at the Bridge? There's nothing worse than having your perfect multi-bet missing. But there's nothing better than having it saved. Bet saver, win, even if your bet misses.
Bossy Gringo Beaters Carnival. Gringo! Kumasi, Yamamu Amrado, King Paluta, and Stone Ball. New one in here. Bossy Gringo Beaters. 24 December. Kumasi Heroes Pack. Chilling in now. We'll take it to 50 Ghana cities. Bossy Gringo Beaters Carnival. Gringo! We don't give a fuck with someone.
Mama kwa baba gentleman dental clinic yeduma dia yedi ani say yebesiesie wosen na yabo wosen ho ban ama wonum enso ate anase wosen animonyam so afa ntuma pa efi fix one no anase yetafre no permanent one no eno susu yesi a untimi entu bi eno ene efe no PFM bridge anase PFM crown afi yesan eye cleaning services oba ye profession no mu na ye friend is scaling and polishing say ebia enema bi ahyehyehye esen mu se bi okasa etimi mapampan ene ade ebamu na no oba gentleman dental ye ni nyina bi ewo ho gentleman dental clinic ye wo Koforidua Central Police Station enchen ho na wudru enkran so a ye wo nungwa na atomic down domekwa benya runabout no so ho na wudru takwade pipe no traffic light na ewo pipe no ho ye ni OGN bank na wo the same premises na kachiman so ye wo magazine market kwan so wa anase opposite AY Ahmed na udru Kumasi Abrepo Junction Total Filling Station wa traffic light na anihwe G runabout no free Total Filling Station na yabron sign no na edi ho ye adwuma free eda dwoda popem eda memeda wetimi afre ya homa no e wo 055 913 9582
if I shop na me shade o bag
bra ade enen so biem
what time about me see about queen why me say
bra said the time about mesha esia gimi ni fiefo enya dia ba ko ebe so ye
me dey do this o fa ni nyina
bra se me ka se me di time about mesha ho adanse a wiase nyina ebe te me nka enti se malaria wadra ni time about mesha
enya nu ko die nanu mato a wontumi ani die no wadra ni time about mesha edre enya ma oba wa fa afuro je wo ma akoda no fo ene akoda woni mfie dumienu ansa na obeto time about mesha edre ibi no hwe se wako hospital anasa lab am wo hu se wo achide malaria ibi ansa
ayo se time ye TIME time about mesha afi malaria fever bi adani ziba ewo mu no ebe tua ubenya bi ato ewo over the counter medicine sellers any herbal shop to do na mu FDA agi edwadue nkratoi ato
they say we are see mu die ejuma ba ku ntimi muwa wo enti prebi bi sua ka ho fagidie eni akukuduro ubetimi ajama na brosumpo ko RTM training center na one for 3 weeks pe and show send ye twi excavator anasa ye operative forklift ye wia ye be some certificate di aka ho na sa wo pese after training no so wutu kwan kwa man bi so te sa Canada, Hungary, Romania, Czech Republic akoye adwuma wo ho nso a ye wo adwuma wo
ebi ahwe fibia se wonya bre na ohwe ye RTM training center adwumaku a ye boawo emaunsa na adwuma tetew se de be ya obetimi di abobra akowanim se wo de bobra Ghana ha na se wo di tukwa akwa amanane RTM training center betimi aboa e wasa kwan ne so se opeso osua forklift opeso osua excavator opeso osua wheel loader anase backhoe ana opeso osua plumbing na ye di britie mbe boa amwatimi ehunu na watimi so de akwa bobra e oba bia pese wo de bobra bia RTM training center a institution
Abusaka kraka bi wo hanu meja tom na rewu sebe wo me se abofra keto wanya 2 years akadai ba kum inti African Spider-Man bla me abofra keto yi mo na nipa ho hia dede bi koso no ti kame ho ni ko hwede wo mbia yenya ye expectation ka African Spider-Man ba be se go abofra ba prekope ne hu African Jack wo ba be se go abofra na wo secret kura no anything Imboost herbal mixture. And only me secret. Na me yetu na me ka e wo fam. Ana police me di one dance say me say menye na me nso nhwe. Na me so we no. A booster immune system. Ama say me train na me ntebe. Me timi di kama. Ama me ka wo dum so ekoso.
Me kura so me ta yale ama my latitude me nya ba ko.
Enye je na koso we. Hey, Spider-Man, what are you doing?
I'm crouching.
Ubenya Imboost herbal mixture. Our pharmacy and answer herbal shops. A pin for any color mundi if you do enom. FDA adjudicating tatwe at
so wallpapers, papa OP wallpapers, and American for mount. So wallpapers at their decorative offices. So fee and sorry. Say ye perhaps a hodo. Baby be a wallpaper, dear do Juma Biano. OP wallpapers, Efro. Yaman wallpapers, a macho blind curtains. A band of bearside lamps and so OP, MR types, or mark shapes. Colors out doing na. Ubenya biato ewa na sweo. Se ope LED backlight. Edi above flash screen echia. And also OP ebe mobi. Se ope selfie ring light. Audio phone beshim. Eye OP wallpapers. And ebe ma selfie ring light. OP ewo kumasi doom. First floor. Nana kwesi ajman building nemu. Tafo GNTC building first floor. Ana chronom or barrier. On the market na edian mshe. Se open wholesale. Anasa retail. Any OP any insa so. Free OP. Our 0540-353750.
Mamisha, time HH herbal Mr. Bina Unumi, and your what dropa, a ya draw say, a manipedian quamuano, and yahuating, na a quotia yare, and chain yare and san wakakoto, fire word draw, nan abribia, Canoga Company Limited. What the time TIME ebejasono wonwa and the time HH herbal mixture e dia bejaso akra wanyanya mfrisia dumienu enum bi wopemfo ene oba wa makra nufo enso enum bi time HH herbal mixture ubenya bi
over the counter medicine sellers any shop dodo na mu
so wo pedodo to afre 0244 417669 0244 417669 time HH herbal mixture yedro say FDA agye adwadie nkratoe atum na ede na aya obayi a oda former son yafunu emunumuni
oh Mr. Entry also yare ya titi be benfie pi nanso ne yemu nyono da se me chew no ahodo amato a me hunu hwea ebe ya nwanwa
menyi ni say what also tamfo haxa capsules any haxa mixture yanum bom kutia also no bia ma no anom anka ne ho ato no dadaada also dro de eno ani haxa capsules any haxa mixture
komni nchiremu
also yekura eto yefunu ene ensunumu etumi a woyefunu ekeka wa wogire ho a enye also etumi ema woye cheko ebra wadidi awie so how eye also there compare haxa capsules any haxa mixture nanum bom na ho ebeto
pedudu atu a ko okanshi drug lane kumasi dani herbal takrade AA Mensa anafre 02038228855 apinfo abatan a woma won mofra no fo ene mofra woni mfiedu mienu enka ho haxa capsules ene ne mixture
all satanfo ade age adwadie nkrato yi atom
Ashafo ye mama kwaba ede aba Alaska Star Enterprise Alaska de said de munimo no ono na de wallpapers ebaye ene what the different kinds of eniema abepom e wona so ye Christmas eniema ye de siesie dem any occasion bia ade bia wo pasiesie wo dem bia se bi beti se blind curtains center mats sofa covers material curtains comforters any niema bia flowers ahodo wall clocks aye de siesie dem pe bia Alaska Star Enterprise ye wo Kumasi adum Mrs. Anoche Plaza building eno ena ye first floor me pacho udru enkran so a ye wo TikTok link opposite Circle Mall Okanshi NS Chemist building nim Alaska Star Enterprise your number 1 shopping center.
It's here again. It's the Super Clash. And Samba BM at the Babanyaro Sports Stadium. And Sunday, December 15, 3 p.m. It's Kumasi Asante Kodoko versus Glorious Accra Asafo. Ebeye butu.
Ose Kumni Kumasi for Emreni Mo striker. Awetamo on the 15th. Mo Taichi.
Where so the other form Kulam, Popular Stand, 20 Ghana cities, Center Line, 50 Ghana cities, and the VIP for a cool 100 Ghana cities is the super class at the Babanyara Sports Stadium. Kumasia Santi Kodoko versus Accra Suffolk, Empire Asia, and we are Jumio Pepe, near Beer Gate, 3 p.m. Ha 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 ha! Them, Mama Yasia, I was the Babanyara Sports Stadium, Kwasiada, 15 December 2024.
Asante kotoko yebesha mamo. Afinsiapa. Obo Herbal and Medical Research Center say, Wamamunina Afinsiapa. Dr. Obo say, Obrunya Chedia de Mo Bia. A Chedia Nuni, on Peso Bia de Ariabesa for Nafe. Nesanti, every 16th December, the 21st December, Obetimia Obo Herbal and Medical Research Center, Tanaya, and one Ghana have a Bia, Korisha Winnipedrema on your capre. Mitchell say, free. Into a Sabra, non check Wakuma, or kidney will liver, no Winnipedia Quakan amount. So, Shet Naya Dio. Obesama wabra wan use kaka sebia na wasia cho 30% chese untue sika twitwiridie se wo yade bi wo so na wakoa na nkwa fa bronya chedi so na ko Dr. Bonchen na wansa yade e ka obebo bia nso obeche omu 30% sene nso ma me bia mo se promotion na bronya chedi e sha se 16 December ya kozi 21st December na ebeko so e wo bo heba branch se didi so Kaswa official town Obenjedi restaurant enkransa owade sheman adua kwan ne so Kumase Hunu Adwato Adumanu, Sunyane or Zinko, an immigration center in the Dianumshe, Tetiman or Benkente Royal House. Open Chemua Bro Media Sua, Obetimia for Warheba or number CISO 0549 161 508, Ni 0550 191 514, Afe 0549 385 619, or Warhebal and Medical Research Center, Al Bibidro Casa.
Sompa Sports. There's nothing worse than your multi-bet missing, but nothing better than having it saved. Bet saver. Sompa Sports.
Wo yemrena yemetwaso yerem e wo fie anasanenra ayirikane to anim say the Black Galaxies ebobo friendly game e wo ye Togo eno amante ne hyemienu e ma Togo man no enso entimi antibi eno ye game eno ano eno eba so after the game did drama na ye coach enso edema Ghana ye local Black Stars eno ye Galaxies na did drama na after the game on players so here and say the match ne si kwan no nkomo no nyina na yentie ye Galaxies a coach Didi.
I tell people that I don't rely on a special player. I rely on players that can fit into teams. You know, our sport is and as a team sport, you need players who can play, players who can play with others, players who can stay within the clear culture, within the clear team philosophy, within the clear team style of play. So we want players who can stay within our set principles that we put in.
And no, Black Galaxies a coach Didi Dramani now say you're getting some amount now just a champ tournament no qualifiers Ghana and Nigeria a friendly game no and I tell you inside the every why the one seminal at the eba ningina you brought up to the game nyamiarama Sunday ebaso na Sanjoro ko umpo the house of folk and so Asia kwesi ada hwan and throwing our baba yara matisa yeso parade say nania jipa sa Sanjoro ko amo game no boas ne mom omo diaba Kumase adan na so Kumase do bia ne tua wo so be hye koroko hye bia nya hye se toropa a hye se nya ye hye keto akranti Sunday where your parade communications director and so edema house of folk and a day sansem no and so to dwana Watara house of folk a coach Abubakar Watara say 3 points and obaba jedi free as Sanjoro.
On 15th, you will see the match. Now we play just today because we have a lot of problems. And the boys are coming. I think this from Thursday, everybody can be okay. It's the match. It's 3 points match. You win, it's 3 points. You play draw, it's 1 point. You lose, it's 0 point. We are not going to say we are taking 0 point. We are going to get 3 points. If you didn't get it, we bring 1 point. But we are not going as somebody who already died.
You're going for 1 point against Kumasi Asante?
No, I don't see that.
Na chese enya 1 point and a House of Folk ebe pedimum aya 3 maximum points and a nyamiarama Sunday House of Folk ebe pedia free asante kotoko ho ewo babaya right no aya nsima coach watara di tu dwane ebusa aya prosper na te ogum say ana opposite number na kanye biano mu jaima Hans abaje 3 points na kwana yentie ogum.
So, I mean, he's a coach and he's right to his opinion. That is what he's thinking. Sometimes some of these mental games are put ahead to make sure that, I mean, you get a better side of the opponent. So these are normal things in coaching where coaches sometimes say some of these things. So we are ready, so they should come.
Na chesa sauro konso ready omo twam omo no mote wo fie nti mo na mo fra bonte e boma ready na when ana game e ba su ombebo na say on team news omo pra ene omo mpra no so prosper na togum ene man sem twefo.
We all know the dynamics that go into games between Kotoko and Hasufo. So we want to see the whole place filled with red colors, singing, drumming, dancing, supporting us. And then, as I always say, in the game, you will not have it good throughout the 90 minutes. Some moments within the game, there will be, we may go down in terms of our level of performance. I mean, performance cannot be consistent throughout the 90 minutes. If you are lucky, it will be. In the moments that we go down within the 90 minutes, they have to try as much as possible to make sure that they support us. When I say go down, I mean in terms of our performance, sometimes you see that energy levels will drop. So when the energy levels drop and then they begin to make certain few errors, they shouldn't be ranting at them, they shouldn't be hooting at them, they shouldn't be booing at them. We see in Europe where we watch these matches on DSTV and what have you.
Yes, we dear Ogumdi to Jarifa Sante Koroko supporters no and homo France and home at now te say ye day and on 79 at Dema Fay. Ye beside ye can't be 2 Jabama breaking news. So I'm say some weeks ago Chambers Abosun and Becca say Kwame Pokunia Santoro started training. Na anya biano koroko sen Kwame Poku ana yentie ogum. Well, yeah, I said, yeah, Reverend say, prosper the 2 Jadifa, Kwame Poku dia no hono. Yeah, de announce ba manamum coach Akwasia Pia, coach Ama Sudan. Our member ma interim, management committee. Our Sante Koroko, yentie Akwasia Pia say Koroko ne has eba. Yana spiritually empower seminal. Yana no so saying, and the James. Most of
the time, I'll be able to pay before a game. The most important thing is wow, be born pay. Yami better watch, no what you as to the person who found all these things. Where most important, be able to pay. Wow, pay because you amount. Say Yami better watch, no what you
And no, coach James Akwasia Piano say ye day ninsem enso ede manimum e ban game na nkasa so a coach eka kakra e de fa won wa bra nyame arma Sunday Asante Koroko e bo e de ti Accra House of Folk.
Coach Gordon has every time an attention, tension, management, so tension or supporters, so tension or players. So until most of the time, know how we control tensions, and I more especially on players. Also, too much pressure about players. Most of the time, we'll pass his name, walk about because of pressure also. But we'll be relaxed now in a push match, without any pressure. More be relaxed and out me upon the game very well.
And no, kakre free manager na so de ba me ba Samba O'Neil so Samba O'Neil say Koroko supporters and fans no mon ka makoma to me radio say cool job Kwampia so mark one born boy we ho de am say e chiro de manya player pa was Sunday Kwampia so mbesha House of Folk.
I just want to win, so seem like the Democratic Cup. We're preparing for that, so we win on Sunday. But I'm telling them they should continue to support us, and we are going to make it easier.
Omba befa win me babedwa for so time about me channel malaria drone ni wanuma to aduane nyo do tetchema so yo nwuno ama chese aduane de si wanu no opiase nchen ye de si wanu no opiase nchen minimo baby or say ono se ne kunu no ono aduane mana ba minimi nyafe no baba krokro oro de besi wo be kana share chi obedi to the opa cause one phone who nears you was from a bar. As you know, me. Did you never body in she na Emma Yakin 1 engine and Finny Petrianum at your time. And you know, no so and ya affair when I'm running in ano, ebe jama malaria fever, so ever call time HH about mixture. Ebe mo asia tight. Na fe MC so gu asini nyina na ebejai. Bema so bema ho ay tantan wadru eno no. Ebe boa menkoyi ntu obi ba enum e wa bra ho nya akono. Mesre wa antipretem adru ni binom.
The usa some na kan unti anaze sen. Adena ya wo yes an.
BTA.
Adena wo yes an.
BTA.
Sausage ya enye de obedi.
Sompa Sports.
Giza so are na cheso yenwe.
Menye. Njade nti na also
akokɔ so are na cheso yenye dey.
Yenwe. No so no
sausage di akoto obi anuma.
Dabi.
E wo say ho tia na ni say ho tia.
I was say ho tia na fresh.
Akwari de no mo kai say wo wu ara da so tia ase. Akobo kro no awie erepu oba ka awie ubi ara ase. On my head no so be mo kebo. Say no ka so me dari kebo. Inti aye time drone na be boa 0244 417669 na chesa on time empen for en kasa joy cam eso be kata wo dan so mo be bia site no e wo bia on be ba no ma be free estimate ama roofing sheet no ene ho aka de obenya allo zinc ene chese euro tiles aye standard sheet ana IoT omo self lock ana MSL ana IBR ni nyina no obenya bi auto bodano so ma dan so nya fe manyu adwen se wo si dan awie bia wo di bia keke na e kata so basa wontimi na dan mo wo so esikwana still inside and so ebeye she aye joy cam and eboa wo mo so command and pan wo mo police station no and so edi enimhwe 0540 125816 na omonyo so fibo ventures any aye toothbrushes any paste and omoton bronya yi aye dia obetwi so obejewani wo pia nwumre be no so abeba fia gisade a chebe no nine brush wo se ansa no pie amonum enye hwam enkoka so ba bia ho na nkobro fuse emetete mabufu ma basa wo hye na bufu the next person friend na onko enti aye fibo ventures omo enema toothbrushes any paste aye kama afro fresh herbal toothpaste no a ball sin and gum and bama brush ring no area symptom eduoni emonum and so etekama oju posegolena drobi abeso to biano benya 0535452263 yes abia from my memory mo hey.
Oh, fancy. This is our biggest game on the football calendar.
That's right.
No matter what you say.
Yeah.
Manchester City, the quality of that fixture can't surpass Manchester United and Liverpool. Bono nanka yenim se beba wo boase ene eba kumase. Bo we ajini pamuja. Nti ebesre se ye kobrunyam. Ubia me ne boko. Enyi ubia muja. Inti bra stadium mo.
Sompa Sports.
Na behwe ball ni bi. So diket kreku ene na pamfo na chi a enyina yebegu ball no.
Oh tim na ebre o.
So ti ase bra. Ena mempe ogumasem ena am etwamu na ko. Bra. This fixture has survived a lot of things. And in Guasia edigu management. Nana bantmahini. Na ohun se amanfo ejijisika egu omuboto makomyati asem we bi pa. Na all instructors say sika ne beko amanfo botom de obi age bia wachemo. Momfa sika ne mra no de good as me. And no fresh checkers some mefa. This is 2009. Ye ba bonte se bantmahini age good fees. E de good das beam e de sika nko. Sebio Sylvester Sayo usu. So probisi ka dia. Anya silver crest there no. Nemum that's be music na no baby. Sa ball we ya ebet mensa this scanning na egu ni pick up ne to or to no pum e de call. Countless times. Countless. And we ni so a esiesie. The late power of Aruniakon. So no pass or yekotoko chairman there has intimation wonder. Or the Ginidin. Harry's called PF tunnel no wavy white handkerchief na bebia ataidin fancy. Say oh yeah administrator charisma. No match with him. Say we a player, ultimately lose contract because of match way. Na yɛ crank it na mi so pa ba me kai say ye boga ka to for baba yara ha. Kotoko she has 3-1. Nana there was this player at Obuasi. Fancy, we kind of Princeton also answer. Top player. Alright, so when you Princeton
Sompa
also
Sports.
Now boy no born Obuasi no Lawrence J, Samir J, Ajeteli, Ahindua. Fancy, or call has. Na has on a new player. Omo de be ball top 4 EB. Na Steven Odro far ball be on Fifio. Ususu Princeton also answer. Yao. Sra. Fancy. It drew regular season. You register Princeton also answer.
Hi.
You register. Memories, a lot of them. Ali Maradona. You catch and it's a ball way. So I'm the ball now. Beshe Kotoko. 2005. Kotoko she has 3-1. Douglas Nkrumah scored for Kotoko that day. Ali Maradona TC Park. So called butu ball in the field. And I'm the new boss. Emma Omo boy. And we are here breso there. Safu Jenfumo Brenno so dear no. You catch and it's a ball no more de ball no. Omo he say, ball no kwa bontia. Omo de one specific ball and neighbor. Sa ball no da park needs to be an shekotoko. Ball and day 4-2.
Okay.
Sa ball no da park needs to be a near shekotoko. Ba ball no kwa bontia na kotoko ashego. Nti safu hu ye no na ode panie. E share bandage mu. E wo ball no. Any free so. Men Chairman Rollins, one chana, Yebeshe. Obia Chairman Rollins. Safu Jemfin Kwanchan. And yes, Mwadi, Nimum ne supporter. Bina Anantia Bohumpaye. And a Yachan say, near Oman Chairman Rollins on Beji Capital because has him paying in and I'm Chairman Rollins. And Rollins himself has confessed this in an interview before. So he was giving something just before our Becham. This match denotes our country politics.
Yeah.
Papa bi would not wake up him. A friend or yeah man na rekwamp him. Ni di ankasa de Mr. Mabo. No, he has board chairman. Time now has Jinason. He was the board chairman. Atua Hoy. Professor Mills. These guys defined the NDC. And our President Kufuor defined the NPP. Until this football match is everything we would need after elections. In the history of African football, fancy and Ghana football, history of African football, the only time I postponed CAF final was because of Kotokone because of the 2004 elections. President Kufuor, any security
Sompa Sports.
CAF and Penyufo needs I to know. Omu say your boss a match no before I ever bought you to 2004 abana basa bit mabakroma. Say Atamel say has Kufuor Kotoko. Oma contested 2000. And Omobel contested 2004. And the gap wasn't even large. You stop a ball. You twabe inaugurated President Kufuor. Before Ebe inaugurated President Kufuor his second term, okay, or the cap no, Emma has. So this enya fix shaketwa. Inti say ena semni bem. No be can the bua bema. Just look back on the previous days. And maybe a trim na komia. What this fixture stood for. So much we send in city. A home comoy bebre 1999. Time I had mensa buy na. Now I feel open jackets here pan. Has be share kotoko 1-0 Usman Amadu and Desmond Amwa and a kaboom shom 1-0. And Harris a call say Obema kotoko sika. The mom the points never conquer. Has nanti ya to the point say you catch your say omunji ni friend ni puma no mu friend dwane e bia basha will be up abisa no fancy omu ye ya kone na makweti la ho nya obi
Sompa Sports
ni friend ni puma eje di dwane e kotoko omu bo na abopu omu bo na afasro one moment has the defining game. A lot happens around this game. A lot until baby I will be ano brana behwebi mem will be and that down pro nya na ehia se me menya sa much we bo around Easter and I say Christmas see bit to me oh yeah mama fa bro for standard fixtures computer na date I be born any panel
oh yeah and
Nti me mete hey. Ya na emesre. 6 match. Sa weekend no. Baby e wo bia o se kotoko na house ne ball bibi ani. Se okwawu e wo Premier League ni ma. Easter weekend there should be a Premier League game. And it should be Kotoko nya house cry. Kotoko should be playing Okwawu United at all costs. Okwawu. Na show my name munyam. Na am I in league no? Obi a ompe ball kro obedi Easter Okwawu no. Osimi so me kwa akọ hwebi. So it's a big game. Ochina fie ene na de chairman menda ye be di nkomo bebre afa the quality of the two teams any bibia ho but so ye player fa che trim say so much we a matcher it makes and unmakes players ya ka management ebeja coaches there for Saturday anopa but yenso ye di ni no matter the obi abeka chero me baby me will be a Sunday I would have a second eye overlooking that game the atmosphere ni pe beba memo bia ntu futuru ngweni bra stadium ho yen bra baby
Sompa Sports
it's much more important.
And then on your master
Let me be very honest with them. The coverage for our league any standard. And Tenefi.
What Tenefi you
na BBC replay no kra no. Ya hye dem twa ne yan fam wan hwe. I
still question why baby are free no. Oh see yeah almost say now the only mpanyufo na sorry ah. And yes say you never walk alone ya. Liverpool for ya ba de ke enya ade bi abrusu bia o annual normal ye bebobo a okay has for ye wo map ni wi no mo de asane to so ansa no maba na kotoko na no musu hu omo ni o ma hyehye because omo time nke e boton to sansa ni wi a omo ba no ma so omo sa te Brazil for na white handkerchief kotoko for ye de ni wrap pack so has for ye
obi e pare
yeah nti no be bantem has e wura mu no gate odi na si ye omo ye den kotokoni has no this is it oh
we do cry ka was last year ya kura uli pala de di cha oh coach wa mi hia ne fi ha asa na match we ya bo ana hwe na hu
no me say dey o tina ho man yi ke so nti no nke won sem be be beka adenti no mo di players na fa ba asa kotogu memo obi anto bra stadium ho behwe last year kotoko pre-match that the bus e ko gina stadium na ni panty and house for no so yes house na ebo ye na and the pharmacy fancy obi amra sulama Khalil Dramani abo ha Edmond Cobson abo ha Louis Ajman abo ha Brabi
Mr. Du now here
fancy me ho ye papa mani agye amana trashe nsema atade agu fo mama me no mani agye amana trashe
Sports
na nia waka no megiri se mumienu nyina woni akomia waka me nsem ya mame nti mani agye amana bruso na wonim opare ado sesai wasika onya match no ogwase a wo krokodon bi a wo ye de omo support match say e bon wo boase nyina de omo supporters no hye kotokontare be nyina no yahu oh yes enti na omo nim se sa na eto oh senti ne ka se de enkanumu na onu se no na sa trend ya na yakopon so de o yin bibia pepepe ene ye de aba sei osukwa oye den nyame yadma kwaseda onya hwene no wahomia fam 2 coach no mo ba kai say why interview before election no say oh one day when say anye ye kura no the draw na bank line ene de na fe de buy with 3 points na ba wan ka bisa ne honto no so nti won koso wonka ye babo empanyifo na ba so ene ma de agu akwam supporters tie mi a ma omo hwa kwa mom tim popo enya de ade has pokika no ama ye history bia ne ma twetwetwemu a ekoni ade but the me can say edrum na bia se has for say omo ba antis bia omo de bewura park ne ade no se bia omba ye bibi na se bia kotoko place bi su cop onom ko yise ya ade be chedwada na amanfo e postmortem no na kotoko na de we ya ne ma bi ayo antis se no ye fine normal way na de buy park no wo de se has for be ba na so mbukukuru opokura de aba ababetai abatu ba bia omo beye omo mapo a nyade aye hwem honum ena se de ehunu se omo ya adwene senka enne ya woi ana chini fie ena ebi ombeba ye de enye no na ye hwe ye da sanyam ya adma kwasi ada no miensa no na referee ball hwese na omunyi ekwan no free kumase kopem nkran ekwan no da ho ye mo boy enye ketani abobo asie eni to omo pa helicopter emra kwasi ada na aka be 10 minutes ama ya ye warm up no na omaba omumfa ru plane titinsi wo ye dan ya plane ni nsi park no so a munan ni de besi park no so eno na de agro no eba enti yesa supporters say na obi akeka bia no eno an say ahodaso eni berma momma ye na ye ho so se na bibia betimi akoyie de amaye wo hwe na no ofreze abetamo a so hunu go bi okoshe se mami has ni strong mind pa me na wo bu she ya o fancy me na wo bu she ya chese go na buy ne wo tie se apa say abet na kwakwache no wo hu de mami nye no ho enti wo ka se wo se ene ye wu ase mo kan no afem mami wo se wo se me nka hwe so enti ayade a ato wo mo so ye besre se kwampo kusu buy ba na manfo preference se obobo bi ana omobi ene de sa opata wetima boyen sa route na FDA registration say yentimi register no
ni na jina or free or a free agent system no you betimi register because normally free players are no more special dispensation.
Okay,
nemum so onye free no bad there this a kotoko train next window.
That's right. And until yesterday mommy am fa no to nchen esan say mpanifo say bi de onuma na oto bi ebene de dey anum ni players say wo dada no momma yem fa yakoma ani ya rehye ni bibia emma players no oh nyese echese asem no ya na ebenu na etimi buase no nyina o enu nti no nyame ya adom ne so no ba beka ho ya ne kasa ya me ni twum ene na kasa wo say empanifo misremo enyese me na me ba befa kotoko asi mabati nemom de na me wo experience na me de wo ha na mo so mutamachi no me ba beka me nuan ma mo wo ho no na mo so de mo support no supporters no ataye nyina achi ni abel lift up kotoko ayen enkura hesempa na wo de amaye enu nti nyame yadma sane ofata akan nyame yadma kwasi adamma kotoko supporter ibna to mo so yesre has for mo ma metua scoreboard kakra bi mo mra na mo mahwe niam bia kotoko fo de beyemo na mokwa monya biaka mame entrapie etoba bi ha me ko studio mi enkokra wo so ompese okasa so usuru mic wo so usuru din match we se de mame mentrapie bomodra na bra se ya do apon no
na male tv ma wo man short say
se na wo sitie ya wo do afu ase awie no no akokosi echi afi na na won so wo praprase sa na wote enti gafi no se na da ye de atodwa no Paul ni bi enu achi no askwane amakom 20 cities.
Okay.
Oh yeah, David. What's an answer kotoko ye give yan tutum kase so hu crack because pen for no dwene be bia mo modem la 50 cities center line and the VIP so ye 100 cities ye besra man for mo bia mra se no mji say there any place in kasa do mu hian supporters ni ye beba nana ofata kan de me say fititititi mahwe ball and some of kan nyina ni nyina si manim bi e wo baba yara de na ye me pekura ni say me ba
Mr. do dey fia wo do e wo kuma se nyina so wa on a wire move found house wiring Mr. do
me da say hwe me de me pekura ni say team na enkanka ni Jode bra say omo free tunnel no mu e ba be say ya odu park na say no be say ahuri aye ne sastra be say de asi fom no eno kwa na ye me fe enti say omo free tunnel no mu ba me hwa metimi hunu ni a enti me ye start match a me nko enya me dekrase me ko enti yesra mo ma me hwe niema anti sa has for ba ye ne ho nia omo pra ni nyina ye hunu na no miensa
enti has full supporters mo tena se ahwa mo match
so what is here the o match has at 3
o match has at 3
wo de asema ba and now many chum call training grounds no the kind of say
last year back to back
the players in the kind say
democracy cup
say what one man has done another man can do. Sa place no maba sha to aso 3 na omoko no wo mo ye wo ho no e bra be start abe she amana
wo so be sha to aso
aye nan na ye nya she na no wi a e no mbehunu so mo say ha say ye wo home na last ayi nyina mo say kuma say ye mo
na Sunday kura mo nya kura metem ho fo no
eno to bo asema yen
oh okay
na fo no to bo he emre ya atisa homa di fra no ne sane hwe mo she ye 4 atoaso 1 2 3 4 at a match. So check statistics. Yasha has more. Even if last year Sabi Yasha more to us said 3 times. Even see that Yes, and no necessary parado. What's when we saw Bossy de Domaya Hono, sa never back Kumasi, Debbie, Yandia, Yanya, Juni say, Yabema, Basabasabiesi, San has Bosobano, Diana, Nadjus of Ambassador, Woman Yanama, Heborno, Niamfani J. and Co. Now almost one time will come Dean Omokwa, Omakwa Epus Moten Mohni, Tia, Kotokoyasha, Matuasun.
Whoa, Mate, Mr. Du, Bishop now, Bana. Simple. Yabeshe is believe me, Missy Beshaka has to cook. Me na me catch no. Me cast some money empada. Ye bro has so. Send say ho hwe. Send say my main catch central. You lose what was saying. Yeah, 4 times. Good. Has a loser to us saying.
Sans the one said
oh, what when you say? Oh, lose what was saying. I should see that saying. Yeah, that saying has BT just one.
That's a one credit point.
I mean, sure, me kind of credit I say. Titod brand to top brand near to menken and Ahmabi, do you be better Yahmo? Now he plays a cry and needs to say Bola to Cobono, despite say you lose Ukrano, and you has for young Kuni. Think what you going? I was able to place in a to do one go to over the force. Yami Adma. Okay, I go on above here. Say has a boating going to go. Think what you going to have for Bob. Mina mika cho would you kwesiada I go on above here in one country.
Mr. Duma Chimidasi.
Would you have
Peter Nas, I say the birthday, Peter.
Oh, okay.
First sports Gaddafi, Peter Nas, happy birthday. Yami Shaw. And Roger Entry who Kukuma have watering and go on show. So when you're Usaman Kabi, no,
the one is in a mic and a mic. I've been a mic about so long. What your baby from crossing this year, or boy, Ball Medical Research Center, say Brunyai, where am I doing to a free health screening? I know I am from the 16th of this month, call 21st. Of December, Beba so branches out of Ghana and in the mountains. I was screening from Utrini Besu Namore. So na Babia dear Shebiano, my year piano, my someone no drew. Also amount treatment and so our treatment, what about 30% discount and the channel's mommy. Momo Kumasi and a Duato Adomenu and a boy bal Eba free health screening and a Techiman Somoben Kente Royal House and Kranza Adishman or Frank Gas filling station map and Abinya more. And to phrase 0257 472506 now on Penifono and so and Kasame Council some patch and never so far would your price say ya Diane and more and one a mackerel and a simple a Sikana Basodeba a Yataliana saying to my baby a beji Momo no so Momo number in here Yamau 2 numbers Kakrabia bet me send ya baby no send the bar Yabejana Yamia Wakuma Swadi Edjama Isan say yeah my memo kuna phone a yen Yankana doye a 0598 559802 and 0241 272990. Blessed Foster and answer Tarawan Media and dear Beba. Yes, of course 0551 931